Hello, my crafty friends. This is Laurie, Girl on the Ridge. I am at work today, and it is cold. I have my little wool sweater, jacket, blanket on. So today I just want to share what I'm working on. I will do a quick tutorial on some ephemera that I'm working on, and that's it. So what I was watching the other night, Deli Girl. She had her beautiful faded paper. She was working on her book. So I printed that out, and I decided I was going to make a bunch of them. They're altered file folders with each one will have a journal in it. So I just got the paper, but I made all different sizes, and then I made some small ones, and I only have so much space. So I'm working on them, and envelopes that are stained and stamped and decoupage. Those I'm having fun with. So I'm working on that. This is a piano paper envelope that will have a bunch of tags in here and also a book. So I have like at least 10 journals started that I'm going to be doing all at once because the color scheme is pretty much the same. So before I get into the tutorial on some of the ephemera, these are the other, some of these are gifts, some of these will go in the journals, and I'm stuck in my paper here. These are the Peter Rabbit bags. These are from, that one's a Mrs. Coggs, Beatrice Potter. And then you got some from Artie Mays. I was just, again, I'm all over the place for some reason, so whatever the mood sends me, that's what I'm working on. This I love. These two are from Ephemera, the Peter Rabbit. And this is the seed packet from Target that the ladies were sharing over at Sophie's Notes. And just another little bag, another little ephemera, and another ephemera. And I just did some trim. So those are the bags that I'm working on. Now what I also was working on are these little cute little, oh, the seam binding is all over, these cute little booklets. They're made with my deposit slips, and this one's just an Artie Mays. And then I just absolutely love the look because they look so rusticy. And these are Artie Mays, her some of her ephemera kit. So how you do those, and you can do them with just about anything. I took, oh my goodness. Let me zoom you in a little. Okay. I took a deposit slip that I had because the bank closed, so I had so many of these I never threw them out. I took it, folded it so this would fit because this is the ephemera I had. So I fit that in there, and then I just folded this. Actually, let's just rip this a little. And then I just tucked that in there so it's nice and actually crooked. I just love that uneven look. And then I just sewed it in, taped it, or glued it in, and then put a little piece of seam binding. So they're all different shapes, and I might just put a piece of cloth on it, or seam binding to tape it up. But you can also do it, because I can hear, if nobody has the deposit slips, you can take, let's see, I gotta have something on this desk because it's a mess. Envelopes. Oh, come on. Used envelopes, new envelopes. Alright, here's an old one and a new one. what I would do is just, let's see, fold it to what I want. Fold it to what I want. Rip it. Now these are just envelopes you get in the mail. Fold it. Then put, let's see. All right, I got a Walmart what's my jigger? Receipt. So you can use anything, because years from now they'll look at this and maybe think Hellman's mayonnaise. Maybe it's like an exotic bird or something. Who knows? And then I would take one of my printables. Let me cut this out. And I would ink this up. But sometimes I just feel like in the ripping and tearing mood. I don't know what it is. Of course, it's still snowing. We've had snow since October. And I would just glue, well, I would fold it probably a little more because I go by the size here. Fold that like that. Ink it up. Take another out. Well, this is a brand new one, but we'll just rip it long ways to what I want it. But I would do this definitely with, you know, all those return envelopes or National Grid bills. And ink it up, glue it up. And did I have one that I did? Yes, kind of like this one. And then this is the one I did with two envelopes. And I put the Walmart behind it, inked it up, put some seam binding. But this one I left the little pockets open so I could put I would put little tags in there. And that's maybe a piece of seam ribbing there. But that is kind of what's on my desk today / tray. And they're cute. Like I said, that's using your junk, all those envelopes that I have a pile of somewhere. And that's just another way to use them. And that's it. So I will be bringing you along to work on some of the pages. We got a retirement party, but tomorrow is a play day. So hopefully tomorrow I will do a video of decorating some of those pages in the book. So you guys have a nice warm day, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.